I'm through with standing in line. The clubs I'll never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth, and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be.
Tell me what you want.
I want a brand new house on an...
Better. Like, you have to get close to her face.
Oh my god! Wait.
Closer. Closer. Like, it opens up, like, you see your brain. Feel like.
No, you gotta look close. You gotta look really close.
No.
You gotta look really close.
Sassy, come back.
You do it.
Jordan, come here.
Look at inside this girl's brain. God.
No, look closer. You gotta look really close, because it's really cool. It's like really, really cool.